What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson, and today we're going to be talking about the price of Bitcoin. Over the past 24 hours, Bitcoin has seen a nice move to the upside. We're currently trading above 9,200, up 4.5% in the past 24 hours. There's 2 hours left until the stock market closes, and right now the S&P is trading up 0.37%. So the S&P is retaining that $3,000 level. Last week, I put out a video where I said I'm feeling more neutral on the crypto market. I'm feeling neutral. I do think that we could see a little bit of downside, but generally feeling neutral. And now where the market is entering a more neutral point. I don't think there's anything wrong with me saying that I'm neutral, right? I don't really have a strong bias right now. Taking a look at the daily chart, as the price was coming back down to the upward sloping support line, I put out that video and I said, hey guys, I'm feeling a little neutral. I do think we could see some downside. And we did get that breakdown and we created a falling wedge and we got a break to the upside. And looking at the 4-hour chart overall, the way that I would describe the price action that we've seen is quite neutral, right? We're breaking below this upward sloping trend line, but we are still maintaining higher lows on the chart. This makes things a lot more neutral. We're below the trend, but we're having a breakout of the falling wedge. The market is actually extremely neutral right now. And personally, I don't really have too strong of a bias on the market. As you guys know, on this channel, I've been extremely bullish for the past 2 months, and that bullish bias has been working out perfectly in my favor. And yesterday I put out a video where I said, if the stock market sees some downside, then very likely Bitcoin will also see a sell-off. But right now, the S&P is retaining this $3,000 level. If they continue to inject money into the market, then we could see some continued upside for Bitcoin. And if things did remain bullish and we did see continued upside, then at that point, we would probably get a breakout above this multi-year pennant formation, above this multi-year downtrend line. We would end up creating unique market structure for Bitcoin above the multi-year resistance. And this would actually indicate that Bitcoin could be entering a new phase for the price where we could be looking for much more bullish price action if the global market environment remains bullish and things do continue up, or at least remain stable. Then what we just saw for Bitcoin could end up being yet another higher low on the chart. This recent low at 8,632. If we can remain above that higher low, well, that's just yet another higher low on the chart within this multi-month uptrend and this multi-month recovery that we've seen. If we do see some upside in the near term, I think we're very likely going to see a lot of analysts coming out and looking at this type of formation coming into the market very likely. Then we're probably going to end up seeing a formation like this come into play, and we'll have to see where the market really decides to move after that. You know, I could see the market moving in either direction from here. Of course, when you hear people say that, it doesn't really help very much. But again, my bullish bias has worked out really well over the past couple months, and now I'm at a point where I'm just getting a little bit more neutral. And the stock market, what the S&P does, what the US stock market does, is very likely going to determine if Bitcoin sees a major breakout or a breakdown. So that is kind of what I'm looking for. Again, Bitcoin is a confidence game. It's very heavily based on confidence. So if the global markets are confident, Bitcoin will see some upside, right? And the opposite is pretty clear. But that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to explain my mindset a little bit more. Before you go, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video, and be sure to sign up with the CryptoWatch platform, which is my preferred platform for both charting and trading. And I'm going to be releasing some tutorials on the CryptoWatch platform within the next few weeks. And I'll see you guys in the next video.